I work in the Acorn Servicing and Aftercare team, and I like to quickly take you through how we keep our customers happy and their stairlifts running smoothly. Once an Acorn Stairlift has been installed, aftercare is a top priority for us. After all, it's in our interest to ensure that our customers are 100% happy with their new stairlift. Even though our stairlifts are developed and manufactured to the highest standards, they are still mechanical devices, which, like any other appliance, will benefit from regular, routine maintenance. It's our job in the servicing and aftercare team to ensure that a customer is always happy with their stairlift, which is why we're just a phone call away 365 days a year. We can also help with our range of extended stairlift warranties, finding one that best suits the customer and their stairlift. Our highly trained service technicians are based all over the UK and are dedicated to servicing and maintaining our customers' stairlifts. They all carry ID cards and have been vetted so our customers know that they're trustworthy. Our goals are for all customers to be 100% happy with their stairlift, that their stairlift is functioning safely and efficiently, that they are safe in the home they love and happy to recommend Acorn to their friends and family. If you'd like to be part of this innovative team in helping improve people's quality of life, then contact Acorn now or visit careers.acornstairlifts.com.